me show you how we get it outside.
By Michael Anthony Fitness here, MAF GigEcon, as I'm known over here. And today I got my first Roadie pickup. Now, one thing about Roadie is that when you click on the offers button, you have to wait until you get submitted for the offer. So be pending until you submit it up until 15 minutes. So I got this offer. I was accepted for this offer. It's over at Tractor Supply. 3 items. Hopefully I can pick them in my vehicle. It's paying about 19 and some change, which is good because it takes me an hour. And that's close to what I want to make per hour. So if y'all new here, make sure y'all punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy button, and Hulk smash that like button. I'm gonna take you through this process of getting a Roadie. So I just got that order, and it was nothing but feed for the animals. The heaviest one was 50 pounds, but there were manageable size bags I could put in the back of my vehicle. So the pay went up to about $24 and some change. I'll take that for an hour's worth of work. I got a 41-minute drive to get to the delivery, drop off, and we'll see what else we get into today. But let me get up out of here and go deliver this. So I just picked up another Roadie in a market that I do want to deliver in, if the market I'm going to is not busy, on DoorDash. Now I was able to get a DoorDash in this market where I picked up the package from 12 to 4:30. So, and then they have from 5 to 9. But I'm only gonna work until 4:30, 5 o'clock today. So we'll see if the market I'm going to is busy, where I can get hours until 4:30. Cool. I think they said at 3 is when the hours pick up, but I don't mind driving back out here to get a little gas, come back out here. But I got my second. It was $12 going in the direction I want to go in, and we'll see if I can get some more Roadies or if I get a good Instacart delivery. We'll see. So I just finished my second Roadie delivery, and it was a pretty good delivery. It was more miles than I want to drive, but keep in note that I'm still trying to learn the app. When I get more familiar with the app, then I'll take bigger orders or bigger paying orders. But I want to get familiar with the app first. And I'm also in a new market, so I'm also in the process of learning that market as well. So I got a DoorDash until 2. Hopefully I can extend that till about 4:35. And I'm also going to be on the Instacart app, because Instacart, Roadie, and DoorDash are the 3 apps as of right now to work in this new market. So I'm going to get on that, and I'll put the totals at the end of the video of all of the apps that I'm working. But keep in mind that I'm still learning a new market. And as I've closed this video, I got a DoorDash delivery. So Let me go get that. I'll put the totals of what I made at the end of the video from yesterday and today. And I'll see y'all on next video or live stream. Peace.
Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on an M, I need one of those. Sniffing on an M like I got a cold. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know.